Imagine this. You're scrolling through social media, seeing influencers flaunting luxury cars, exotic vacations, and designer clothes. It seems like wealth is all about the glitz and glamour. But what if I told you that the real secrets to becoming rich are hidden in the mundane, the overlooked, the boring? Yes, the path to true wealth isn't paved with flashy purchases, but with simple, consistent habits that, over time, work like magic. Stay with me as we uncover these powerful yet underrated habits that can transform your financial future. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Let's get started. Habit 1. Patience builds their wealth. Delayed gratification is one of those boring habits that hold incredible power in transforming your financial future. It's like planting seeds today to reap a bountiful harvest tomorrow. Why does it matter? Because in a world of instant pleasures and quick fixes, those who can resist immediate temptations often end up with lasting rewards. As Warren Buffett famously said, the chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. Mike delayed purchasing a larger home until he could comfortably afford it without straining his finances. Both Emily and Mike achieved financial stability and peace of mind by prioritizing long-term goals over short-term desires. By saving and investing early, even modest amounts can grow significantly over time due to the power of compound interest. Habit number 2. Embracing frugality without sacrificing quality of life. People confuse frugality with deprivation. They believe saving money means giving up enjoyment, so they splurge on $6 lattes, $80 dinners, and $1,200 phones on credit. These small habits compound into massive financial leaks. According to a CNBC study, 61% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even those earning over $100,000 per year. The solution? Shift your mindset from cutting costs to increasing value. Choose quality over brand labels. Buy what lasts, not what's trendy. For instance, cooking at home can save you $250 per month, and switching to generic brands could save $1,500 per year. It's not about saying no to life. It's about saying yes to what truly matters. Spend where it adds to your life, not just your Instagram feed. Number 3. Level up or stay stuck. The boring habit that turns skills into cash. Here's something wild to think about. The highest paid people in the world are not the ones who work the hardest. They're the ones who learn the fastest. Continuous learning might not look flashy, but it's a silent superpower. Why does it matter? Because in today's economy, skills are the new currency, and if you're not upgrading, you're being left behind. As the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad says, the more you learn, the more you earn. The biggest mistake people make: they stop learning after school. They scroll for hours, binge Netflix, and hope for a raise without upgrading their skills. This leads to career stagnation, missed promotions, and ultimately, financial struggle. Want to escape that trap? Set aside just 30 minutes a day for skill building. Learn coding, sales, digital marketing, investing, skills that pay in today's market. Every new skill adds a zero to your income potential. Number 4. Connections compound faster than cash. The habit that opens doors. Money can't. Your next big opportunity won't come from a job portal. It'll come from your network. Building strong relationships may not feel like a get-rich-quick move, but it works like magic in the long run. Why does it matter? Because your net worth often mirrors your network. As quoted in Never Eat Alone by Keith Ferrazzi, success in any field, but especially in business, is about working with people, not against them. Most people make the mistake of networking only when they need something, like a job, a favor, or funding. This opportunistic mindset ruins trust. As a result, they're stuck in average circles with no access to high-growth people or ideas. Want to change that? Start small. Join LinkedIn groups, attend local business events, or just send a thank you note after every valuable conversation. Invite one new person for coffee each month. Give more than you take. Build value, not just contacts. Number 5. Own your hours, own your income. The underrated habit that buys freedom. Here's something that should jolt you. Everyone has 24 hours, but only a few learn how to leverage them like a millionaire. Strategic time management isn't about boring planners or color-coded calendars. It's about treating your time like it's worth $1,000 per hour. If you don't control your time, someone else will rent it for cheap. As the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People says, the key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Most people confuse being busy with being productive. They say yes to everything, scroll for hours, and end the day exhausted, but broke. The result? Years of wasted potential. Want a fix? Audit your week. Identify your high-return hours, time spent learning, creating, investing. The person who manages time like an investor will always out-earn the one who spends it like a consumer. Number 6. Mastering money before it masters you. Here's a cold truth. It's not how much you make, it's how much you manage. Financial discipline may sound dull, but it's the invisible engine behind every self-made millionaire. Why does it matter? Because without control, money slips through your fingers like water, and that's exactly why 70% of lottery winners go broke within 5 years. As The Millionaire Next Door reveals, most wealthy people aren't high spenders, they're high savers who avoid lifestyle creep. Paycheck-to-paycheck loop creates debt traps, stress, and regret. Want out? Start with the golden 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and invest 20%. Automate your savings so it's non-negotiable. Track every dollar. Discipline is freedom. Delayed pleasure is permanent power. Who earns $80K and invests wisely is often richer than the one who earns $150K but saves nothing. Number 7. Wealth starts with restraint, the boring habit that builds generational money. Let's be real. Most people don't need a raise, they need rules. Maintaining financial discipline might not feel exciting, but it's the number one reason ordinary people quietly become millionaires. Without financial discipline, every dollar you earn becomes a dollar you waste. Sarah, a teacher from North Carolina earning $50K per year. She didn't wait for a higher salary. She built a bulletproof budget, lived on less. By 35, she saved over $200,000 and started a side hustle tutoring online. Now, she's on track to retire by 45. The spender buys freedom for a moment. The discipline buys freedom forever. Number 8. Less stuff, more wealth. Here's a mindset shift that feels weird at first. The less you own, the richer you can become. In a world shouting buy more, minimalism whispers own better. The biggest mistake people make? Mistaking clutter for comfort. They load up on deals, oversized homes, multiple streaming subscriptions, and endless Amazon boxes, only to feel mentally exhausted and financially drained. The result? High stress, low savings, and no room, physically or financially, to grow. Here's the fix. Start by cutting 25% of your monthly non-essentials. Sell unused items on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. You'd be shocked how fast $500, $1,000 adds up. Apply the one-in, one-out rule. Buy a new item only when you remove an old one. And ask yourself before buying, will this add value or just take up space? Minimalism isn't about having less. It's about making space for more of what matters. These habits may seem unremarkable, but their impact is profound. Remember, the journey to financial freedom isn't about grand gestures, but consistent, intentional actions. If you got value today, give back with a like and a subscribe. It's the easiest way to say, keep going. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.